So I decided to come outside and look at my garden, and look right there. Look at those strawberries. It's like 3 of them are starting to ripen. And I went and superimposed. Yeah, 2 of those are really big. One's a little bit smaller. They look really good. And then that Swiss chard, I haven't been chopping at that, letting that grow. It looks good. And this lettuce, like this leaf isn't good anymore, but these are getting strong. And then look at that right there. Oh, I don't know if that just makes me so happy. And I don't know what that is. That might be cilantro, because I was just sprinkling cilantro everywhere at one point. And then we have some beans over there. And then I saw this cilantro right here. It's getting strong. And that cilantro. And the lettuce up there. That's what I'm going to transplant at some point, because that's getting strong too. And there's a cilantro coming from under there. Yeah. And this kale. And then there's another lettuce. Because that looks like a romaine. And that looks like something like the one right there. And right there. And the cilantro. On something you have bok choy. And then there's a lettuce. And look at those tomatoes. Oh, that mint came back. I don't remember what mint this was, but it's coming back, and that came back fast. Yeah, because there was I don't remember, because I thought that mint died, and I guess it was just away for a bit. Yeah, some of these things I found out, because this was the old mint that dried out, and I guess it just popped up on the side. And that's a bunch of lettuce right there, and that's a bunch of lettuce. I planted this stuff a while ago. Oh, and then this pea is getting weak. Gotta move this to get away from the wall. Oh, and then there's a bean. This lemon tree, I still have hope for it. Oh, that looks good. Oh, and there's a bunch of bugs. Let me superimpose that. Look at the bugs. All over that. Kale. I'm pretty sure that's kale. And there's a beet in there. And then there's a pea over there, and those strawberries are growing in. I don't really see too many. Oh, that bok choy is getting big right there. Oh, look at this. A tomato coming. Oh, that's something different. That's a colored tomato. It looks like it's going to be kind of purple. Oh, I have some yellow pears down there. Oh, it looks like I might be harvesting some yellow pears. Not as many as before. And then some of those. And then probably some of those, I don't know. And this one's not really doing anything, but it still has those flowers right there. Where are the flowers? Yeah. And oh, cilantro's popping up over there with the lime tree, and the lime tree seems to be doing okay. But I'm going to transplant that lime tree because I need to put holes in the bottom of the pot. And then the parsley over there went crazy. The parsley went crazy. The strawberries are doing great. The beet is doing really good. And then that embalm over there is doing good. And that oregano is just going crazy. Yeah, and the strawberries look like they're still doing good. And then there's tomatoes over there. I'm going to check all that and then have a little harvest, because you can't see everything because there's a lot more stuff than you see. But everything's looking really good. And I've been working on the garden a little bit over time. Just like I've been pruning this tomato, this pear, to make sure it stays good so we can produce some more. And I've been pruning that one, but that one I don't think will make it. But it is producing more flowers, I see. And this one, I don't know if that one will either. But then there's some in the back. And then something's eating that lettuce up like crazy, but that lettuce comes back always. So if you like, watch and subscribe. And I'm going to have a harvest, and I'll show you what I'm done. Bye.